Hey, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to design posters and flyers using VistaCreate. Designing posters and flyers using VistaCreate is an easy and effective way to create eye-catching promotional materials. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. Open up your preferred web browser and go to VistaCreate website. Make sure that you are logged into your account. On the dashboard, choose either poster or flyer from the available options. You can search for poster or flyer in the search bar if you don't see them listed. Click on the option you want to start designing. You can also choose the blank template to start from scratch. Once you have a template or blank canvas open, you can start customizing it. Click on any text box on the template to modify the content. Change the font style, size, color, and alignment to match your design vision. Select the image and click on this drop-down to change its font. You can also decrease or increase the size by clicking on this minus or plus icon. And you can change the color by clicking on this button and select the color you want from here. To make a poster or flyer more visually appealing, you can add images. Go to the Photos tab to choose from VistaCreate library or click on Upload to add your own images. Simply drag and drop the image into the canvas and resize it or reposition them as needed. You can also set the image as a background. Right-click on it and click on Set as Background. You can also add shapes, line icons or decorative elements from the Object tab here. These can help break up text and make your design more dynamic. Consider using icons for social media handles or other relevant information to make it visually engaging. Ensure all your elements are well aligned. Leave enough white space around element to avoid the cluttered look. When you are satisfied with a poster or flyer, click on Export button and click on Download As and select the format from here. Now click on Download to save your poster or flyer in your device. By following these steps, you can create stunning posters and flyers using VistaCreate that effectively communicate your message. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.